Hello, this is the project demo of Shriman Satish and Ashwathaman Venkateshan. The project is titled Watermarking in LLMs. The concept behind it is to add watermarks to text generated by large language models. The application of this is to, for example, detect academic dishonesty. The approach that we have taken to implement this is by using a hash function to split words generated by an LLM into green and red words. The meaning of this is that the green words are the ones that would occur at a higher probability in our watermark text. So the generation of this is biased towards generating more green words. So now I will in the as you can see in the screen, the watermark strength is what is the logit bias. This is what makes the model more biased towards generating more green words, and the detection threshold is what we use as a threshold to judge the ratio between the green and red words. The beyond this threshold, we judge that the given output has been watermarked already. Now we have given an input prompt, and with a max token of 200, we are generating our output text. We have enabled watermarking for this, so let's see what the output is going to be. Similarly, in the detection algorithm, we will be using the same hash function, which depends on the input string, and it will create the same list of green and red words. When we feed the output to it, it will count the number of green words and the red words and uh, check if the ratio of green to red words are higher than the threshold we have given. Using that, we'll be able to judge if the uh, text is generated by a watermarked LLM or not. Here, as you can see, we have gotten an output generation. We can copy this text onto our detection page to check if it has been watermarked. Here, as you can see, in the front end, we have also implemented highlighting the text. The green highlights is obviously for the green words. As you can see, there is the proportion of green to red words is really high. So our model is able to judge with 100% confidence that this output text has been watermarked. The graph shows you the expected for an unwatermarked text, the actual score that our watermark text has got, and the threshold value in the last column. The extra implementation that we thought about doing for this project was to implement this using Azure OpenAI. But then we ran into a few hiccups during the process. The main one is that the logic biases did not behave the same way that we expected it to. If we gave a too high a value of logic biases, it would work, but then the generation would just repeat the same words over and over again. And if we kept it too low, then um, the algorithm just would not work. But this would be the future scope of this project, is to implement it using any industry standard API to be able to generate and detect watermarks. That's all for this presentation. Thank you.